Hello dear friend, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can fix hidden content in BeReal apps. Okay, so just go to BeReal apps. This is the interface of BeReal apps, but initially when you click discovery, here you can see discovery, then you will see every post it's like hidden content. Okay, you are not able to watch their post in discovery. So why it's happening? In BeReal apps, you must post one status or one picture, otherwise it's not possible to see the other content. Okay, so how should you do this? Here you can see the option post BeReal. Click on this and they will capture your picture. So I'm making this video in night time, so you're seeing just dark. Just click here and wait a second, and just post it. And my friend only or everyone, just send it my friend only. And it is posted. So now again go to discovery, and now you will see every post, every discovery, every post. It will appear now to you, to your timeline, so you can easily visit and watch this. Okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.